Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, plumbers. Good morning, everyone. As you know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. All while training my two sons, the apprentices, the trade. CB2 and AB. And for today's adventure, we're going to be changing a central brass wall mount faucet spout. Seems like a simple fix. I got the spout. We'll see how it goes on a commercial wall mount faucet. We'll see you inside. Oh yeah. Here's our culprit. That's great. Like that. Okay, you see what's happening here. She's shot. Authentic. No. Itch. Uh-oh. Get a little bit of grease. I love grease. Just a little smidge. There we go. Beautiful. Well, everything worked out with the central brass spout change. As you saw, I mean, when you have certain companies, central brass, T&S, and their parts are just on point and pretty simple, I would definitely take a repair over a replace on that case there. They weren't dripping, but then again, I could replace the whole faucet too. It's just a toss-up. Anyway, good customer, so we keep them going. And with that, we got her done, and we have another satisfied customer.